going on, guys? It's Dragon and Pug Gaming here, and we're going to show you how to make a sort of good paper airplane. We were bored, so we had nothing else to do. So yeah, get a sheet of paper. I have A4 paper. I guess you do need A4. I don't know what I was going to say, but yeah. First, you need to start off by folding it in half, like what everybody else does. Yeah. Make sure you get it nice and lined up, as you can see. Mine's a rough tutorial, but when you're making it, make sure it's on the line, and make sure you're folding it nice so it has the nice crease. Now open it up. I'm not making a die. I have no idea what I'm making. This is like made up. So fold this corner into the crease that's in the middle. Do the same with the other side. Try and make it even. I didn't because this is rough, by the way. Okay, so when you have like this, what you want to do is you want to fold this, not all the way back, but back far enough that it sort of looks like a weird bird. Like a bird facing down. You want to fold it like this. So it should look like this. I'll show you from this to this. Okay. Now what you want to do now is do not fold it in half. Not yet. We're going to do this. We're going to try and line it up so this becomes straight with that, and it sort of looks like a dot, well, a weird type of dot. It should look like this, and you should do it on both sides. Hold on. Okay. This is rough. Don't take this in. It shouldn't exactly look like this, but sort of. Now what you want to do is you want to fold it in half. Fold it in half like this. And put the wing down to the bottom of the airplane, paper airplane. Make sure it's nice and flat. Do it for the other side as well. Oh, well, if you can't do it exactly right.
And the paper plane
is
ready. Now
we're
test it.
Backyard. Okay. It is sort of windy. Now look at the paper airplane. This, look over there. Okay. This is sort of bad, I think. It might not work properly.
Damn, that went far.
And I will give you another test run.
From a side view.
This is from the side view. Okay, ready?
Well, that went high. Whoa! Whoa! How? We need a replay on that. Well, that was the end of the tutorial.
That was the end. See